Good evening. I'm Brian Zwemke. I'm the building principal at Minooka Community High School, District 111. I'd like to welcome you to the 2019-2020 school year. I'd also like to personally invite you to our open house next Thursday, August 22nd from 6:30 to 8 o'clock at both Central and South Campus. The evening centers around your opportunity to walk about the school with your child, learn about the curriculum, all the great activities and events, and a chance to meet your child's teachers. We hope to see you there. At Minooka Community High School, we are proud to offer a rich and diverse curriculum.
Buenos dias! Buenos dias!
We prepare our students for college and career readiness. We offer a wide variety of courses, including AP and dual credit. In addition, we also support full inclusion to meet the needs of all our learners at Minooka Community High School. This year, we welcome over 2,800 students to our halls each day. But school doesn't end at 3 o'clock. After school, we have over 50 different activities for students to get involved in and over 20 athletics. With our fall season just beginning, we hope that they have a successful year in and out of the classroom. While you're at open house, please be sure to stop by and learn about our music and fine arts programs. We are proud to have a strong tradition of athletics at Minooka Community High School. Go Indians!
Go Indians! Go Indians! Go Indians! Go Indians! Go Indians! Go Indians!
We anticipate a high level of participation at this open house, and we ask that you make every attempt to keep these meetings brief with classroom teachers tonight. If you would like to discuss items at length with a specific teacher, we encourage you to schedule a separate meeting with the teacher on a later date. I look forward to meeting you on Thursday night as well. If you see me in the hallways, please stop by and say hello. I'd also like to add that I'd like to see you at our Coffee with the Principal on Monday, August 26th at 9 a.m. at South Campus. Thank you.